Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Now we discuss about the product design of QPP intervals for the parallel turbo decoding architecture. Now we discuss about the abstract of our product. Parallel interleaver is an indispensable component for the parallel turbo decoder. The ever increasing data rate is motivated by throughput and intensive applications. The result of higher parallelism turbo decoder design is re-entering the efficient realization intervaller. This process addressed the design of quadratic permutation polynomial interleaver for the symbol-based serial map and the cross map. It is otherwise called as the S-map and X-map parallel decoding. This S-map and X-map is working based on the trellis state diagram. Using this trellis state diagram to obtain the soft output in our process, multiple soft in soft out decoders are working in same frame at the same time. More number of soft in soft out decoders are connected in parallel to reduce the hardware complexity. Theoretical evaluation and experimental results demonstrate that the proposed design gains boosted hardware efficiency compared to existing SIM and is applicable for the serial map and cross map decoding process. Now we are discuss about the flow diagram of our product to obtain the quadratic permutation polynomial decoding soft output. Using different 4 modules to obtain the soft output, they are read address generator, memory array, interconnection network and SISO decoder. SISO decoder is otherwise called as soft in soft out decoder. Read address generator. Read address generator contains a ROM. ROM is only able to read the data in memory. Using virtual address to read the memory data in read address generator module. This virtual address is extracted. This extracting physical address is applied to the memory array via RAM. RAM is able to read-write the data in memory. The output of a memory array data is fully rearranged using interleaver. The output rearranged data of interconnection network is directly applied to the soft in soft out decoder via trellis state diagrams. This trellis state is fully functioned based on the serial map and cross map algorithm. They are the flow to obtain the quadratic permutation polynomial soft output. Now we are going to discuss the running procedure of our product. Our source code will be implemented using ISC Project Navigator version 14.2 Silence tool. Our source code file will be classified into 4 different modules: ROM, RAM, interleaver and decode. Simulate the behavior model of ROM. Select the ROM and simulate the behavior model. The input and output blocks will be displayed. Apply the input address to the input. Force constant, unsigned decimal number 6. Apply. OK. Run the given input. The input address will be stored in the data output. Next module is RAM. Click RAM. Simulate behavior model. Apply the inputs. Clock inputs. Force clock. Leading edge will be 0. Trailing edge will be 1. Period is 1000 nanoseconds. Apply. OK. And write option. Force constant. Binary 1 to hide the write option. Apply. OK. Address. Given data input stored address. Unsigned decimal number 7. Apply. OK. data input, force constant 1100 1100, apply, OK. Run the given input, apply. The input value will be stored in the data out in memory location 7. OK. Next module is an interleaver. Interleaver is a common interleaving function, rearrange of the data. The next module is a decode. Simulate the behavior model of a decode. The input output blocks will be displayed. Apply the input of a interleaver. Same process, force constant 1, apply, OK. Same process for up to H. Apply the selection pin, force constant 0, 1, apply, OK. Now run the inputs. The output will be fully depend on the input. They are interleaved. OK. This one is the main module of our product. Select main module, simulate behavioral model. They are an input and output block of a main module. Apply the given address of input, force constant, unsigned decimal number 6. Apply, OK. Apply the address input, force constant 11000111. Apply, OK. Clock, apply the clock value, force clock, leading edge value 0, trailing edge value 1, period is 1000 nanoseconds. Apply, OK. Right option, force constant binary 1 to hide the right option. Apply, OK. Data input, apply the data 00001100. Apply, OK. Selection pin, select the output will be 0, 1. Apply, OK. Now we simulate the inputs. D0 is an ROM output, D1 is an RAM output, D2 is an interleaver output. Data outs will be a SISO decoder output. D0 is fully dependent on the address input 00000110, 00000110. And next is the RAM output. RAM output fully depend on the input of the RAM address 11000111, 11000111. D2 is an interleaver output. D2 is fully dependent on the D1. The D1 value will be interleaved into D2. D1 value is 11000011. They are interleaved into 11000011. Data out via SISO decoder. Now 11000011 will be changed into 00010001. These all are the process to obtain the soft output. Thank you for watching this video.